Hi guys, good afternoon. Good afternoon guys. Okay, no reply. No reply for my question. This is the front view. This is the front view of the building. This is the front view of the building now. So I will rotate. I will rotate. Okay, this is now the happening today. Guys, what are you doing? Guys, can you hear me?
Ay, kuara ko lansang ko.
Ay, we are
Ang ipang kuaan ang mga
ah, getting the nails of the lumber. Okay. This is now the happening today. Okay, guys. Oh, this is the right side of the building. This is the back side of the building now. Bong, what are you doing?
Sir, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nakot na sa ating mga binakaw kinuan, sir, kinumkob
Okay, they are.
para pantambak.
Okay. Okay, this is septic tank.
Putong terwire ba? Uy. Ayun ni. Hala.
So this is the back side of the building. And this is the left side of the building. Hmm. This is the happening today. Okay, this is the front and this is the side, the left side of the building. This is back of the building, I mean. And this is the left side of the building.
Chong, asa gutter, Chong? Gutter, asa naman? Hi, sir.
Guys, hi.
Good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon. You are very busy.
Ang kon. Kon.
Okay, they are very busy.
Kon.
Oh!
Okay, this is the left side of the building. The workers now are very busy. Okay, this is the lift. And guys, how about you guys? What are you doing?
Bunbun, guys.
Huh?
Kaya ko bunbun para pinising.
They are using the sand
San?
and for finishing purposes. Okay, thank you. Thank you, handsome guys. Okay, I will proceed. I will proceed to the I will proceed to the front view. This is the front view of the building. This is the front view of the building. Hmm. This is the happening today. There are many materials. There are sand and gravel, hollow blocks. Okay. Okay, this is the happening now. Thank you for watching.